Our Book of the Month promotion for May is Glimpses of Britain from Gail and Chris Lawther, which contains stunning photography and shows us all what we've been missing. This inspired Gail to make a series of quilts, and Valerie gets to show you round her exhibition. Talking of Britain, Anne Baxter shows us how to make this splendid Union flag patchwork cushion, which has been reworked in Liberty fabrics and is our product of the month. Still on the cushion theme, we get another delightful workshop from Gail Pemberthy to make the long and short of it cushion. We have Kathleen Laurel Sage this month, showing us how to make these textured books. And Julia Gahagan puts together some remarkable miniature shadow applique quilts from her easy-to-assemble kits. Our Technique Thursday features Valerie Nesbitt, showing us how to make double prairie points. And Valerie also brings us a super new workshop using pre-cuts from the Geometrics fabric range. Jane Chaya returns to complete her hexagon crochet series, this time creating stars. And our new knitting expert contributor Daphne Morris shows us how to knit the mock cable stitch. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £5 a month.